Learning about the ocean has helped me see how important it is, not just for sea animals but for all life, including mine. Now I see the ocean not just as something pretty, but as something that gives us oxygen, food, and helps keep nature in balance. I also understand how things we do, like using too much plastic or polluting, can hurt the ocean. Hello, my name is Isam Candido from BSFI to Block 1. This video is all about the ocean and it also shares a part of my life story and my personal connection to it. Since I was young, I've always felt something special when I look at the sea. It's peaceful, powerful, and mysterious. Even if I'm not near it every day, just thinking about the ocean gives me comfort. That's how my story begins, with curiosity. I started to ask questions. What's under those waves? How deep does the ocean go? How important is it to life on Earth? I learned that the ocean covers more than 70% of the planet. It gives us half of the oxygen we breathe. It helps control the weather, and it feeds millions of people every day. But there's still so much we don't know. Scientists say that over 80% of the ocean is still unexplored. That means there are species, plants, and even underwater mountains we haven't discovered yet. It's like a whole other world right here on Earth. I found out about colorful coral reefs, deep sea creatures that glow in the dark, and the biggest animals on Earth, the blue whales. Each part of the ocean is different. Some places are warm and bright, others are dark and freezing, thousands of meters deep. But no matter where, every drop of ocean water is full of life, from tiny plankton to giant fish. The ocean is alive and beautiful. The ocean is not far away. We are all connected to it, even from our homes. The air we breathe, the food we eat, and the weather we feel. It's all connected to the sea. And that's why I want to share my story, not because I'm an expert, but because I care. And maybe, just maybe, if more people understand, they'll start to care too. And this is my ocean story, a story of wonder, learning, and hope. The ocean has many voices. I hope mine becomes one of them. Let's not wait until it's too late. The ocean needs us, and we need it too.